On this worksheet, you are taking a quadratic equation and you are putting it in standard form. To put the equation into standard form, the easiest way to do it is just to think it has to equal 0. So I want you to take the equations and solve it so that it equals 0. I'm just giving myself some space right here. The first problem I already did for you, but I skipped a lot of steps. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to take the problem and work it out really slowly so that you can see how I got that answer. The problem is x squared equals 3x minus 30. I'm just rewriting this problem down here. I like having x squared positive, so I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. The 3x and x squared don't go together, so it's really x squared minus 3x. You cannot combine these. They are not like terms. Then I have it equal to negative 30 because it's a negative. Remember to bring down the sign. And it's still not in standard form because it does not equal 0. So instead of a negative 30, you're going to add 30 to both sides. There is no number right here that's by itself, so it doesn't have any like terms. So I'm just going to tack it on to the end of this side. And now 30 and negative 30 make 0. That is my equation in standard form, which is what I've written right here. The A, B, and C are the numbers that you get from the x squared, the x, and the number that's by itself. A quadratic equation is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. And you would just have to look at the coefficient, the number in front of the letter, or the number that's all by itself at the end, to get the A, the B, and the C. Here, the A is an invisible 1. For B, it is not a 3, it's a negative 3. And C is 30, which is what I have already written here. For the rest of the worksheets, you are doing the same. Please show all your work to solve for the equation or make it set equal to 0. And then once you have that, label your A, B, and C. The equation is up at the top in bold, and then you have to put the answer here in standard form. Give me the answer for the A, the answer for B, and the number for C. It's not a lot of room, so if you have to just move over here on the side, as long as I can see what the standard form is and what A, B, and C are at the end. So for numbers 1, 2, 3, and then here's number 4, but put the answer for number 4 down here at the bottom for A, B, and C, and so on.